Tell me, who doesn't like chocolate? Well, here we are in famous Hershey Chocolate, Pennsylvania. We're in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and this is the actual Hershey Chocolate Bar Factory. And we're actually going to go inside and take a little tour. Here we are in the Hershey gift shop, and you see there's a lot of different types of souvenirs, t-shirts, mugs, water bottles, as well as lots of different types of Hershey chocolate. We're going out to a chocolate factory store. See how they make chocolates in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Okay, so now we're walking through the line going to the Hershey's Chocolate Tour, and this is a timeline of the history of Hershey chocolate. So 13% of the chocolate we get is from America, 69% from West Africa, and 13% comes from Southeast Asia. This is an example of the harvesting of the cocoa beans. This is an example of fermentation, and this is an example of the bagging. Did you know it takes 270 beans to make 1 pound of chocolate? Wow!
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi folks, welcome to our dairy farm.
Feeling every day, we can make chocolate the Hershey way. We can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love, taste the love, taste the love all over the world. Factory, everybody!
Milling machines, which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa.
They have granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color.
All of that fresh,
Like
delicious
Hershey's milk chocolate, special
is
dark.
finally ready to be
Hey,
packaged.
don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
That's my favorite, the chocolate syrup.
Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that.
Hey,
Here, chocolate.
there you go. You got chocolate now. Yummy? Yeah? What do you eat, Ruthie? Chocolate? Yummy? Yes, say hi, friend. Chocolate yummy. Yeah, chocolate. Yeah, yummy chocolate.
Alright, we just went through the factory tour. It's kind of like a Disneyland ride. It's pretty cool. And on the way out, they give you a little chocolate bar, a little sample. And if you look behind, there's all sorts of things for you to see. So we're going to walk around and see what they have. Hershey, Pennsylvania. This is a Zagnut. This is a really old candy bar. So I'm going to get one just to try it. It's been such a long time.
Wow, so big, right? Whoa! Wow, this is a big Twizzler. Look at that! Wow! So big! There's a big one! Whoa!
Hold it, Joel. Joel, hold it.
Chocolate bar!
Don't drop it.
Look at that! Wow!
Signature chicken chili. This is the signature chicken chili from Hershey, Pennsylvania, and the Hershey tour. The beans, chili, lots of chicken, and some cheese. Good. They give you a little bread too. Bread star. And then we get chocolate. Lots of chocolate. It's a peanut butter cup.
Chocolate.
Okay, we're now going to board a trolley and take a stroll around the town of Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Now, we're waiting on 1 Sunset Avenue. First installed in 1963, they alternate between wrapped and unwrapped.
And now you know that these are the only Diet Kisses Hershey makes.
Really, why's that?
Because they're made out of light chocolate.
Like chocolate?
Oh, get it? Light chocolate with the lights? Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching, and if you like, please click like. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you've ever been here, don't forget to share and leave a comment below. Bye for now. If you like our channel, please click one of these videos to see more of our videos. Thank you so much for watching.